Tech Plus YouTube channel. So, those who are new to this channel, my name is Nishant. I am a tech addict, orator, and debater. So, in today's video, we are going to see through an insight on web development. So, let's dive into web development. So, web development is basically developing a website. I mean, not a static website, full stack website where front end, back end, and database involves. And even hosting a website comes under web development. So, it's actually the main definition is work involved developing a website for the internet or an intranet. So that's what web development is. It's simply developing a website for for example, like bank applications or website for education institution, so on. So that's what web development is. Now, if we go inside web development, there are three main roles. First one is front end developer, second one is back end developer, and third one is database administrator. So we will be looking in each and every role, like what is that role means and what are the requirements to become that role. So let's first see the front end developer. So front end developer, it's just like front end developer is the person who creates a web page. I mean, creates a page where a user can visualize. For example, I will just show you one of my favorite website. So yeah, so UnrealEngine.com is my favorite website. Like now I am the user and I can visualize the video, the effects, and the graphics, animation. Also, the web page which I'm showing you is called as front end. I mean, the page which I am seeing in my own eyes is called as front end. So this and all UI UX. I like this page because the graphics, animations are a major thing, and yeah, it's like it's a kind of a new technical website. Like for example, Web 3.0 is start. I mean Web 3.0, Web 5.0 have came into existence, and this website is a major example for those domains. Now let's get back in on our presentation. So how to what languages or what scripts we need to use to develop that website. So the main things are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is used to create the skeleton of the website, like the tables or the format of the website, and CSS gives colors, shades, backgrounds, and many more. And JavaScript gives animation effects, so the user can view and interact with the data. So that's what front end web developer is. So, like, what knowledge we should have to become a front developer? We should be well versed in CSS, HTML, JavaScript. Not only that, we need to know any one of the front end framework or library like React.js. So that is the one of the major front end library we will use to develop websites. So even you should have a great designing skills and a creative knowledge. Like you need to be creative. You need to know the what color shades will be good, what are the color effects will be good, animation and designing and the size of the elements. So you should know those things to become a front end developer. Next, we'll be seeing a back end developer. Back end developer is the person who develops the back end. I mean, if we interact with a button, if we click a button, what does the button does? The backside of the button. So that's what backend developer. This is just an example. You will be connecting to the servers. You will be connecting to the database. You will be writing the logic. Like if we submit, for example, if we submit a form, the data should be storing in the database. So connecting the UI to the database, those things comes under backend. And even logic. So if we are filling a form and our age should be greater than 18, so that we can fill a form means you need to write a condition on the backend. So that's what backend developer does. And yeah, you must know some backend programming language like Python, Java, and you need to know the frameworks too, like Servlets, Django, Flask, and much more. Even there are lots of stacks for backend. So, like for example, you have Moon stack or Django stack, Flask stack, like that. Even If you don't like these things, you can go in the route of PHP, .NET, Express Engine, and many more. So other besides coding, you need to know logical skills, like logical skills, thinking ability, and the connection parameters, much more. So these are the skills you need to become. You need to have to become a backend developer. So next, we will be seeing about database administrator. Database administrator is the person who organize the data in a database, who stores the data in a database, delete data, organize data, and much more. Like for example, if they want to delete data in the database, they will be the person who will be doing so. Capacity planning, installation, configuration, database design, performance monitoring, much more. These are database works, and they will be also doing the backup of the data, data recovery. So this is an important role. They are vital persons who need to maintain the data and even to run database efficiently for the website to run properly. So that's what database administrator does. For to become a database administrator, you need to be well versed in SQL. I mean, you need to have a good experience in SQL and great knowledge. Even there are lots of types of SQL like Oracle SQL, MySQL, and PostgreSQL. So you should know any one of the SQL, and you should have a familiar knowledge in CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete. So these operations are very well required for a database administrator, and you need to know, besides coding and technical, you need to know how to organize things and how to categorize the data, and also that is also required skill to become a database administrator. And and those who doesn't like coding, I don't want to do coding, but I need to create a website. Like for example, there are few business persons who the persons who wants to like to create businesses, they don't know coding, they are not technical, but they want to do websites without coding. Yeah, there are few websites. WordPress is the majorly used customer management system for web development. GoDaddy.com, Wix.com, VB.com, Webflow. So these are paid. You want to pay and you can create website. It will be providing an web editor kind of thing, and you can just create a website. Even you can integrate plugins, backends, much more. So without coding persons, they can use these sites to build website. Not only that, nowadays Web 5.0 is trending, and fluid fluid design websites are much more utilized in the internet, and even there are lots of mobile applications coming into the market. So you guys need to know frameworks. Frameworks are an essential part of Web 5.0, and even the graphics, the design, and much more. So for example, if you see the Unreal Engine, you can see this is an example of Web 5.0. So yeah, you can see the video, the background, the text, and much more. Even if I scroll down, they are providing a great animation too. So these are a type of Web 5.0, but there are lots of websites which is greater than Unreal Engine for graphics and much more. So that's all about today's video. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. If you subscribe the video only, I can just improve my video content and much more. And if you want any other videos, if you want any other domains, any other topics, just comment below. I will read your comments and reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.